In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to carbon copy people onto your AOL email. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So when you have the email up, there should be a CC button across from the two or in the same line here. Go ahead and select that. And then you can go ahead and start typing in their addresses and then tap the enter key in between email addresses to signify to AOL that they are different emails. It may also pick up people in your contact list automatically, and then you can just select them from the list and then just keep typing out new emails. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.